Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back sa ating channel, ang Crypto Whisperer PH. So for today's video guys is mag-update tayo tungkol sa isang incentivized testnet na ating sinishare dito noon guys, no? So I think isang magandang project ito guys, and feeling ko malapit na mag-list ang project na ito guys, no? So paano ko nasabi yon is i-share ko sa inyo guys yung mga details and updates nila sa kanilang mga social media para malaman natin kung kailan ba ang possible list ng project na ito guys, no? So pero bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe ay mag-subscribe ka na at i-like ang mga videos na sinishare natin dito sa ating channel para lagi kang updated sa mga airdrop updates kagaya nito guys, no? So proceed na nga tayo sa ating topic ngayon guys, at ito nga ay si Layer Edge. So check muna natin yung ating dashboard. So ito yung ating current dashboard guys, and makikita nyo may mga tasks dyan. So dapat yan ay mga nagawa na ninyo, yung kanyang pag-mint ng OG Pledge Pass and Mint a Pledge Pass. So ang nasubmit ko lang guys is yung Submit Approve and Browser Base. So itong CLI Lite Client guys is meron din silang update dyan, and mamaya sasabihin natin guys, no? Proceed na nga tayo doon sa kanilang update, kanilang X account guys, no? So ito yung kanilang official X or Twitter account for the testnet guys, no? So makikita natin dito in February we focus on one thing. So update ito guys nung kanilang ginawa nung last February guys, no? So building and shipping. Then the first phase of our incentivized testnet was an overwhelmed success, and we're now gearing up for phase 2 with mainnet on horizon. So ibig sabihin guys, after ng phase 2 is kasunod na yung mainnet guys, no? So makikita natin dito meron din silang update for the users in countries with restriction on X. Don't worry, we'll have more ways for social verification. So basahin natin yung thread nila. So una guys is ito, no? Due to community feedback and to deliver best possible experience, so ini-extend daw nila yung pag-launch ng CLI nodes. So yung CLI nodes guys is available for PC siguro ito, so mga CLI na nodes na yan guys, no? So they'll now go live during the final week of Layer Edge phase 2. So yung phase 2 guys is magtatapos on March 22 guys, no? So sabi nila 1 week before mag-end yung phase 2 is sa kanila ila-launch yung CLI guys, no? And the next is yung social verification. So incoming pa lang yan guys. So check natin yung dashboard natin is wala pa namang mga ganun guys, no? Pag-verify ng account. So ang gagawin lang daw doon is connect your X or Twitter profile to our dashboard and let's combat Sybil and bot activities guys, no? So dito hindi ko pa naman nakikita kung saan yun ilalagay, paano ba i-connect yun. Siguro wala pa yun guys, no? Abangan na lang din natin. And ayun nga, no? Ensuring fair rewards for genuine agents. And then next thread is yung OG Pledge Pass holders your perks are secured guys, no? So yung mga mint ng kanilang OG Pledge Pass ay merong mga additional perks pero wala pang details tungkol doon guys, no? And yung promise nila na mint fee is ma-refund in tokens at TGE guys, no? Plus a separate percentage of the airdrop via Layer Edge Foundation. So ito yung main page ng Layer Edge guys, so check nyo na lang din yan. Then however, to be eligible for the main part of the airdrop, completing social verification is necessary guys, no? So abangan natin yung pag-verify ng social accounts dyan. Then after nyan, post testnet. So after daw ng testnet, we'll have more ways for our community to participate, contribute, and make their mark on Layer Edge. So ito yung end ng kanilang thread guys. So makikita natin dyan na kung ano yung magiging plano nila before the end of phase 2 and after phase 2 guys, no? So malinaw naman na yung kanilang phase 2 guys is matatapos ng March 22. So after ng March 22 is abangan natin ang kanilang update for their mainnet guys, no? So nandito na rin yan sa kanilang blog, makikita nyo. So phase 2 goes live, then nandyan yung mga kanilang mga details guys, no? So currently ito na lang ang natitirang gagawin nila for phase 2 guys, no? Since natapos na ito, yan, tatlo na yan. So itong CLI node na lang ang kailangan matapos guys, no? For the phase 2. Then the rest yung mga details nung nakaraang update nila guys, no? So alam na natin yan. So ang gagawin na lang natin guys is patuloy na i-grind lang at i-run ang ating Layer H account until March 22 pagkatapos ng phase 2 guys, no? And ayun lang, kung nagustuhan mo ating video for today is don't forget to give it a like at mag-subscribe ka na rin para lagi kang updated sa ating mga future videos. So ayun lang guys, see you sa next video. Peace!